Good morning, student of 7th class. Today we are going to start our second chapter, fraction. So first we will read about the fraction. The definition of a fraction is a number which is represent a part of whole. It is consist of two parts, numerator and denominator. यानी एक फ्रैक्शन की डेफिनेशन है, फ्रैक्शन इज ए नंबर विच इज रिप्रेजेंट ए पार्ट ऑफ होल. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पार्ट्स, numerator and denominator. For example, 3/4. 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Now classification of fraction, any types of fraction. First, proper fraction, a fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator is called proper fraction. For example, 4/7. 4 is less than 7. 2/3. 2 is less than 5 is called a proper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 7/4. 7 is greater than 4. 3/2. 3 is greater than 2. Next, mixed fraction. A fraction represented as whole and parts is called. A fraction represented as whole and its part is called mixed fraction. For example, 4 and 1/3, 3 and 2/7, and 1 and 1/2. These are the classification of fraction. Now, some classification of fraction are also equivalent fraction. A given fraction and a fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by same non-zero number are called equivalent fraction. For example, 1/2. 1/2 is multiplied by 2/2 equals to 2/4. 1/2 is multiplied by 4/4 equals to 4/8. In this process, 1/2, 2/4, 4/8 all are equivalent fraction. Next part, like fraction. A fraction having same denominator is called like fraction. 4/9, 1/9, 2/9, 7/9, 5/9, 8/9 all are called like fraction. Unlike fraction, a fraction having different denominator are called unlike fraction. 3/5, 2/7, 1/6, 1/2 all are unlike fraction. And unit fraction. Next is unit fraction. If a fraction having 1 as numerator is called unit fraction. These are the types of fraction and about the fraction. Now we are going to read about arrange the fraction. Compare, it means compare or ordering fraction. यानी कि कोई भी 2, 3, 4 फ्रैक्शन दिए हैं और उन्हें हमें अरेंज करना है असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, तो क्या प्रोसेस रहेगी. तो आपका है कंपेयरिंग एंड ordering comparing and ordering fractions. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे हमारे पास कुछ फ्रैक्शंस हैं 5/6, 2/9 एंड 5/12. इन फ्रैक्शन को हमें असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. जैसे पहले असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करें इनको, तो सबसे पहले हमें इनके डेनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा. डेनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे है 6, 9, 12. 6, 2 3 6, 9, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 9 3 3 1 3 1 3 1 or 3 1 1 1. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18, 2 is 36. LCM of denominator 36. Now 36 divided by 6, 6 multiplied by 5, 30. 36 divided by 9, 4 is multiplied by 2, 8. 36 is divided by 12,